How to use the Chromebook for STAAR testing or interim testing. So the first thing to notice is as soon as you open it up, you'll see the login indicator, but you will not sign into the Chromebook. You'll go down to the bottom left and you'll see a little button that says Apps. When you click it, there will be an option for STAAR Online Testing Program, and that's what you'll want to click. It will establish a network connection. It'll initialize the app. And this is the part where you'll want some patience, because the program takes some time to establish a connection and check the network settings and things like that. So these configurations might take a little while. Just give it some time to think. This is your dashboard, so to speak, for State of Texas assessments of academic readiness. And you got a few options. You got the summative assessment, which is the STAAR itself. You've got the interim assessment, which is like the benchmark. And you can even use this for practice, and there's some tutorials as well. So when we click interim assessment, it loads that program and it asks for username, password, and session ID. Now these three things come probably from your testing coordinator. This information is going to be prepared for you, the student, or for the teacher. So you'll just need to give that to the kiddo and they'll use those three things to log in. When you hit back, it takes you back to the main dashboard. Just want to show you that summative assessment, the STAAR test itself, asks for the same 3 bits of information: username, password, and session ID. If you want to leave this program and go back to your Chromebook to use it, usually just click Exit. And there's me in the reflection of the screen. So yeah, that's how you use it.